General knowledge. First, highest, biggest, tallest, longest and largest of India. First in India. Question. Who was the first president of India? Answer. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question. Who was the first prime minister of India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question. Who was the first home minister of India? Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question. Who was the first education minister of India? Answer. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. First in India. Question. Who is the first Indian Nobel Prize winner? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore. Question. Who was the first lady governor of a state in free India? Answer. Sarojini Naidu. Question. Who is the first lady prime minister of India? Answer. Indira Gandhi. Question. Who was the first lady chief minister of India? Answer. Suchita Kirpalani UP. Question. Who was the first Miss Universe from India? Answer. Susmita Sen. Longest in India. Question. Where is the longest railway platform in India? Answer. Gorakhpur UP. Question. Which is the longest river bridge in India? Answer. Dhola Sadia Bridge, Assam. Question. Which is the longest river in India? Answer. Ganga River. Question. Which is the longest expressway in India? Answer. Agra Lucknow Expressway. Question. Which is the longest national highway of India? Answer. NH 44 new numbering, NH 7 old numbering. Longest in India. Question. The longest coastline. Answer. Gujarat coastline. Question. The longest tributary river in India. Answer. Yamuna River. Question. The longest tunnel in India. Answer. Jawahar Tunnel in Jammu Kashmir. Question. The longest dam in India. Answer. Hirakund Dam in Odisha. Question. The longest beach in India. Answer. Marina Beach in Chennai. Highest in India. Question. Which is the highest mountain in India? Answer. Kanchenjunga. Question. The highest airport in India. Answer. Leh Ladakh. Question. The highest tower of India. Answer. Qutub Minar in Delhi. Question. Highest waterfall in India. Answer. Kunchikal Fall in Karnataka. Question. The highest gateway of India. Answer. Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri in UP. Highest in India. Question. The highest battlefield. Answer. Siachen Glacier. Question. The highest gallantry award in India. Answer. Paramveer Chakra. Question. The highest award. Answer. Bharat Ratna. Question. The highest literacy among state in India. Answer. Kerala. Question. The highest sport award. Answer. Rajiv Gandhi Award. Largest in India. Question. Which is the largest lake in India? Answer. Vular Lake in Jammu Kashmir. Question. The largest national park in India. Answer. Hemis National Park in Jammu Kashmir. Question. The largest forest covered state in India. Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Question. The largest state in area. Answer. Rajasthan. Question. The largest fort in India. Answer. Chittorgarh Fort. Largest in India. Question. The largest island. Answer. Majuli Island in Assam, River Island. Question. The largest desert of India. Answer. Thar Desert. Question. The largest mosque in India. Answer. Jama Masjid, Delhi. Question. The largest animal fair. Answer. Sonpur, Bihar. Question. The largest dome. Answer. Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur, Karnataka. Largest in India. Question. The largest delta in India. Answer. Sundarban Delta. Question. The largest state by population. Answer. Uttar Pradesh. Question. The largest lake of saline water. Answer. Chika Lake in Odisha. Question. The largest museum in India. Answer. National Museum in Kolkata. Question. The largest cave in India. Answer. Amarnath Cave in Jammu, Kashmir. Question. The largest building in India. Answer. Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. Tallest in India. Question. The tallest statue in India. Answer. Statue of Unity, 182 meter. Question. The tallest dam. Answer. Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. Question. The tallest building in India. Answer. Imperial Tower in Mumbai. Question. Largest Gurudwara. Answer. Golden Temple, Amritsar. Presented by Fazlur Rahman sir. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel Fazlur Rahman sir for general knowledge, education for kids, computer knowledge, PowerPoint, MS Words, Excel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Bye bye.